Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph, and I create YouTube tutorial videos teaching you all about digital marketing and how to sell on social media platforms. So this is the second video of this channel, and I want to appreciate those who watched our first video and also like and subscribe. Please also remember that you are free to comment a recommended video you want us to create for you, and then if as long as you're subscribed to our channel, we'll always create the video, we'll always send your request. So without any further ado, let's proceed. In our last video, we spoke about the engagement ad, how to create an engagement ad for messages. We also spoke about how an engagement ad can be used for basically almost every other thing, but then you can also use it for mainly for running ads for messages. So today we're going to be talking about what about those who want to run ads for people to visit a link. Since engagement ads really mostly focuses on messages, people might want to run ads for people to visit their link. So for those who have a link, it could be a website, it could be WhatsApp group, it could be a Telegram group, and you want people to join that group or visit that link directly from your advert. You can also use an engagement ad, but then for those who actually want quality leads, for those who want leads to join their group or whatever, then you can use a lead generation ad. So we'll just click the lead campaign. I think my network is kind of bad. Okay, we're supposed to accept the Facebook leads generation terms of service, and you can only do that on the laptop version or the web version. So let's do that quickly. All right, so you can see this is our ads account on the web version. We're using Google Chrome for this. So to locate this, all you have to just do is go to web.facebook.com, and then you can locate Ads Manager, or you can just this is web.facebook.com/ads manager, and then you'll be able to log into your Facebook account and you should see this. So this web version right now is the same thing with the app version, same thing with this right here, but the difference is that this is an app and you have limited features, whereas this is a web version. And if you notice, that's why we're unable to create a lead campaign. So to use this is the same thing with the app. We just click on create ads, either at the top right hand side or the center here. You can see the options are also the same thing. So we want to use lead campaign, we'll click on lead, we'll click on continue. Always endeavor that you put this on desktop site. You can see mine is not on desktop site, but the display is still okay. So putting it on desktop site is so that you can zoom in and out. This is the desktop icon here. So I might not necessarily put mine because we're not going to be making use of this web version for long. It's just for us to be able to run leads campaign. So just like I mentioned in the last video, there's the AI generated option here for you if you want to run ads using AI, Meta AI, but we want to be using manual setup because we want to set it up by ourselves. Click on continue and we'll allow that to load. Just like I explained in the last video, you can set up the name of your campaign if you want. Let's say ad 2, because yesterday we had ad 1, even though I've deleted it. You can see it's a lead campaign. Down here at the bottom you see next, you can click on next. And the reason why we're using this web version is because there are some things that you need to set up for you to be able to run some certain kind of ads. Just like yesterday, the last video, sorry, you saw that you have to have a Facebook pixel for you to be able to run ads for website visit. Now you can see the terms and conditions we need to accept. Please read and accept Meta leads ads terms before creating your advert. So all you have to just do is click on view terms, and then you go through it if you want, or you just click on I accept these terms. So once you do that, you will be notified that you've accepted these terms and conditions. You can now run ads. So if we go back to this app right now, our Meta Ads Manager app, and we let's reload it, and then we'll go to leads campaign. You'll see that we'll no longer have that error message telling us that we cannot run leads campaign ads. So let's allow this to load first. So you can see now we can run leads campaign successfully. So you can decide to stick with this, although I'll be creating videos on how to use this web version later on in the channel, or you can just request for it if that's what you want. But we're sticking to how we can do all this with our smartphone, because not everyone can navigate the web version properly with their smartphone, and not everyone have a laptop to do it easily. So let's give this a campaign name. okay, sorry, yeah, let's give this a campaign name. So we'll say ad one. Yes, we'll go back. Special ad category, we have none. Budget, just like I explained to you in the last video, which can be 2,000 naira depending on the value of $1 to your respected currency. Ad set name, there's no need to set that again. Conversion, now you can also use lead campaign to get messages. That's a crazy thing, but we want it to be on our website. But you can see now we are being told that we need to set up Pixel before we can use this website, because we want people to visit our website, which could be our landing page, could be our group link. So let's go and set up the Pixel on this web version. So to set up a Pixel, all you have to just do is locate. Now you can see this is on instant form, so we'll click on website so that we'll have the option to be able to fix up Pixel. So you just click on website up here and you can see create Pixel. So to create Pixel, we'll just give it a name. Let's say this Pixel name will be add Pixel together. You can just, or you can separate it. You just click on create Pixel. So Pixel is like a digital code that you can put on your website to help you monitor people's activities on your website. It will help you monitor the amount of people that have visited your website and all that. So we don't necessarily have a website now, we don't necessarily have a link we want to use. Let me quickly just get a link that I want us to be using for this advert. Alright, so I just copied a link to one of my WhatsApp accounts just for you to be able to send me a message. So we can just paste the link here and we'll click on check. Now this video is not necessarily going to show you how to set up the Pixel, because there are a lot of processes involved in that. So if you want a video to show you how to install a Pixel on maybe like your seller account and the rest, then you can request for that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to request for that. But a Pixel is not necessary for you to make sales online. It is not a mandate for you to make sales. It's just for you to monitor activities. So at this point here, we can just cancel this, and we've already created our Pixel successfully. So now what we just can do is come to data set. We'll select our Pixel. We'll click on data set, and then we can now choose the conversion event if we want. So if you observe the conversion events that will display, you can see you can now run ads for leads, for schedule, for start trial, for complete registration. All those things are the data that Meta ads will take into account when running your adverts. So those are the data Meta ads will display to you if you want. So we don't really want that, so let's just go back to Meta Ads Manager app to continue our ads. Let's reload this. Okay, let's go back. Let's discard this and then click on leads again. Error performing query. Sometimes the app can glitch, so if you're having multiple glitches, you can just close the app. You can just close the app and then open it again. So this is the reason why the web version is best, because closing the app now means we'll have to start from beginning, except maybe you save this as a draft or something. Let's let it load. Okay, so that has loaded. We'll just quickly set up the daily budget again to 2,000. Go back, click on next down here. We even forgot to give the campaign a name, but that's okay. Conversion. So on conversion now, we should be able to now run ads to websites. You can see that website is activated now. So we can select the page we want. You can also run ads for people to fill a form. That's a Facebook form if you want. It's still the same processes basically. So if we click on website, we'll go back. Then conversion events. Now, so this is the data you want Facebook to give you a report on. If you want Facebook to give you a report on the amount of contacts you got from the advert, it can give you. If you want Facebook to give you for the amount of searches, add to cart. Add to cart is like maybe if you have like an e-commerce store and people want to purchase from you. If you want people to get Facebook to give you the number of leads, contact, whatever it is you want, you can use that. But like I say, it is not a guarantee for you to make sale. Pixel is just for you to monitor activities on your website. Schedule is, of course, we spoke about that in the last video. Is about how long or how short you want your ads to run, the duration basically. We also spoke about how we can target in the first video. So if you've not watched the first video, endeavor to watch it, because it basically breaks down everything here. It also teaches you how you can target, how you can add certain interests. So we're not going to be touching all that. We also spoke about placement in the last video. So I'll be creating a special video teaching you how to target properly with ads. That will be on a later date, or if any of you request for that. identity is basically the Facebook page you want to use for the adverts. So you can use a Facebook page or you can use an Instagram page. So we're sticking with Facebook page. Ad setup, like I said in the last video, we also spoke about this. So you can visit the video. Ad creative. This is where you select your flyer, your headline, your primary text, and then this is where you put the website or the link you want people to visit. So if you just click on website, the default one there is your page link, but you can put the link you want people to visit, which in this case is my WhatsApp link. So once I put that link there, I can click on cancel. I can click on that X there, and the call to action could be learn more or it could be something else. It all depends on what you want people to do. Then you can just select an image to use for your advert. We're still going to select this one like last time, like the last video we did. This is just so that you can see a preview. Primary text, let's just say join free training. Primary text can just be like a description of whatever the training is about, and the rest. Our website is displaying what it's not supposed to display. Let's see. Yeah, this is what we want, so we have to select that. So you can see the link is showing there now. You can preview the ad. Let's see the preview. Some previews might not show properly, so that happens. So you can see the preview here. Although it's showing send message. I think that's a glitch. Let's see how we can fix that. You can see the call to action here is saying send message. The reason why it's saying send message is because the website link is for a chat, not a group. But we can just change it to learn more and click on preview again, and then this time around it should show you learn more. So you can see it's showing learn more now. So if we are good with that, we'll just go back, click on review. Review will show a summary of all the setup we've made, and if we are satisfied with this, we just click on publish. So once we publish, the advert will be reviewed by the Facebook review team, and then it goes online. So if you've not watched the first video in the channel, please endeavor to watch it because it explains everything and answered any possible question you might have concerning how to run adverts on the Meta Ads app. So like I said in the beginning of the video, endeavor to subscribe to the channel to support us, because all this you're getting for free. So to support us to create more videos like this and to be able to answer requests of our subscribers, please kindly subscribe, like, share the video, and also comment what you think you want us to create a video on, and we'll do that. Thank you once again.